Whether you're maintaining a tidy yard or just tired of dealing with cords and gas, a cordless mower can make the job a whole lot easier. These battery-powered options are quieter, cleaner, and more convenient than traditional gas models, without sacrificing performance for most average lawns. In this video, we're going through 6 cordless lawn mowers that stand out for different reasons, from compact models for small spaces to more powerful ones built to handle thicker grass and larger yards. We'll cover what each mower does well and who it's best suited for. Product links are listed in the description below. Number 6. Greenworks 60V17 Brushless Cordless Mower. If you're working with a small yard or limited storage space, this Greenworks 60V 17-inch cordless mower might be all you need. It's a solid choice for first-time cordless mower users or anyone looking for a lighter, no-fuss option that still handles the basics well. The overall design is compact, and the mower itself is easy to lift, store, and maneuver, even around narrow corners or landscaping features. The 17-inch cutting deck is narrower than what you'd find on higher-end models, but that's actually a plus for tighter spaces. It makes this mower a good fit for smaller lawns, townhomes, or even secondary areas around patios and walkways. You won't be cutting acres with it, but that's not what it's made for. It's built for simplicity, portability, and convenience. Powered by a 60V lithium-ion battery, the mower shares compatibility with the rest of Greenworks' 60V line of tools, which is a nice bonus if you already own any of their trimmers, blowers, or chainsaws. The brushless motor helps extend battery life and also makes for quieter, more consistent performance during use. Expect around 45 minutes of runtime under typical conditions, which is usually enough to get through most small to medium lawns in one go. The handle folds down quickly for vertical storage, and because of its low weight, it's easy to move from the garage to the yard without dragging or lifting issues. On the downside, the 17-inch deck does mean more passes if you have a bigger yard, and it's probably not ideal for anyone dealing with thick or fast-growing grass. But for its intended use, smaller lawns and light maintenance, it does the job well. If you want something quiet, easy to handle, and straightforward to maintain, this one makes a lot of sense. Number 5. Worx 40V14 Cordless Mower, WG779. If your yard is small and your storage space is even smaller, the Worx WG779 might be the cordless mower you've been looking for. This is the most compact model on the list, and it's built for light-duty lawn work, quick trims, narrow yards, and simple maintenance. With a 14-inch deck and a very lightweight body, it's easy to pick up, carry, or store in a tight shed or garage corner. It runs on two 20V batteries for a combined 40V of cutting power. For those already using Worx tools, that's a big plus. The batteries can be swapped between products. That kind of versatility can save time and cost if you've already bought into the system. What sets the WG779 apart is its IntelliCut technology, which adjusts power output based on how tough the grass is. If you're moving through a patch of thicker growth, the mower automatically boosts torque. When you're on lighter areas, it pulls back to preserve battery life. It's a smart feature that helps get a little more runtime out of a compact machine. In terms of cutting options, you can bag or mulch, depending on your preference. Both work reasonably well, though the smaller deck does mean you'll be making more passes if your lawn is even modest in size. Runtime generally falls between 30 and 40 minutes depending on conditions, which is usually enough for small city lots or quick touch-ups around the house. Where it struggles is in tougher terrain. Thick, wet, or overgrown grass can bog it down, and the smaller blade doesn't offer a wide cut. But this mower isn't trying to do heavy lifting. It's ideal for small city yards, beginner users, or anyone who just wants something compact and low effort that gets the job done when needed. Number 4. YardCare 36V Brushless 13 Cordless Mower. If you're looking for something ultra compact and straightforward, the YardCare 36V Cordless Mower is about as minimal as it gets. With a 13-inch cutting deck, it's the smallest option on this list, designed specifically for tight spots, small lawns, and limited storage areas. Whether you're working around garden beds, walkways, or patios, this mower is easy to maneuver and light enough to carry with one hand. Powered by a 36V battery and equipped with a brushless motor, it runs quietly and uses energy efficiently. It won't rip through thick turf, but for well-maintained patches and lighter grass, it delivers consistent performance. It's especially well-suited for those who don't want to fuss with cords or gas and just need a basic, no-hassle tool to keep their lawn looking neat. This model includes both mulching and bagging features, which is nice to see at this size and price point. Switching between the two is simple, and the overall design is user-friendly. The handle folds down completely, allowing for vertical storage in closets, corners, or small sheds. At just a fraction of the weight of larger mowers, it's easy to transport, lift, or store out of the way. This makes it a great option for people with smaller frames, older users, or anyone who just doesn't want to deal with heavy equipment. Of course, with the smaller footprint comes limitations. The 13-inch deck means you'll be making more passes, and it's not built for heavy or fast-growing grass. If your lawn gets thick quickly, or you often deal with damp patches, this probably isn't the mower for you. But if you live in an apartment with a bit of yard, have a narrow lawn to maintain, or just want something basic and quiet that won't take up much space, the YardCare 36V delivers what it promises: simple mowing, no hassle. Number 3. Toro 60V Max 21 Super Recycler. If you're looking for a cordless mower that feels close to a gas model but with the convenience of battery power, the Toro 60V Max Super Recycler is worth a serious look. This is one of the more premium options out there, and it shows in both build quality and performance. The standout feature here is Toro's Super Recycler technology. It's designed to mulch clippings into fine pieces that break down quickly into your lawn. If you care about lawn health and like to mulch rather than bag, this system does an excellent job without extra passes. The 21-inch steel deck gives you a wide cutting path, making it suitable for medium to large lawns. It runs on Toro's 60V battery platform, so if you already own other Toro tools, you can swap batteries between devices. The mower also supports Smart Stow vertical storage, something you'll appreciate if space in your garage is limited. When folded, it takes up far less room than a traditional mower of this size. One of the more user-friendly features is the personal pace self-propulsion system. It adjusts automatically to your walking speed, so you don't have to push harder when moving uphill or across uneven ground. This makes mowing feel more natural and less tiring, especially over longer sessions. You also get the standard 3-in-1 cutting options: mulching, bagging, and side discharge. Switching between them is simple, and the controls are well labeled and easy to reach. The mower glides smoothly, and despite its steel construction, it handles well without feeling bulky. That said, the Toro Super Recycler is on the heavier side, and it does sit at a higher price point. But for homeowners who want a solid, durable cordless mower with excellent mulching and self-propelling features, it offers a nice balance of performance and reliability. It's a smart step up if you want more than just basic lawn cutting. Number 2. Greenworks 80V21 Brushless Cordless Mower. For those with larger yards or thicker grass that needs a bit more muscle, the Greenworks 80V 21-inch cordless mower stands out as a powerful option that feels closer to a gas mower, minus the fuel, noise, and maintenance. It's built for longer sessions and tougher terrain, and it delivers the kind of cutting performance that smaller models can't quite match. The 21-inch steel deck is wide enough to cover a good amount of lawn in fewer passes, which saves time if you're mowing a bigger area. Paired with the 80V battery system, it's capable of running up to 60 minutes on a full charge under typical conditions. That's usually enough to handle medium to large yards without having to stop and swap batteries. One of the key features here is Smart Cut technology. This automatically adjusts the blade speed depending on how thick or dense the grass is, helping extend battery life while still providing consistent results. Whether you're going over patches of clover or thicker growth near fences, the mower responds in real time without you having to do anything manually. You've got all the standard cutting options as well: mulching, bagging, and side discharge. Switching between modes is simple, and the rear bag has enough capacity to keep you from having to stop and empty it constantly. The handle folds down neatly, allowing for vertical storage that fits into tighter garage spaces. The build is solid, and while it's heavier than many other cordless options, it still pushes fairly smoothly, especially on flat ground. On the flip side, that extra weight and large battery do make it a bit more cumbersome to lift or maneuver around sharp corners. Charging times for the 80V battery are also longer compared to smaller systems. Still, if your lawn needs more than a light trim and you want cordless power that actually holds up over time, this Greenworks model is one of the most capable options out there. Number 1. Ego Power Plus 21 Self-Propelled Cordless Mower, LM 2135 SP. Topping the list is the Ego Power Plus LM 2135 SP, and it earns that spot by offering a blend of power, build quality, and ease of use that few cordless mowers can match. It's a full-featured, self-propelled mower with thoughtful design choices and performance that makes it feel like a serious lawn care tool, not just a convenient alternative. The 21-inch cutting deck is wide enough to handle medium to large lawns efficiently, and the heavy-duty construction gives it a solid, durable feel. It's powered by Ego's 56V ARC lithium battery, which offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on a single charge, depending on conditions. For most yards, that's enough to get through the job in one go. One standout feature is the self-propelled drive with variable speed control. You can adjust the pace to match your walking speed, which makes it easier to handle inclines, uneven terrain, or just long mowing sessions without fatigue. Whether you're pushing across a flat lawn or climbing a slope, the mower keeps up with minimal effort on your part. It also excels in mulching and bagging performance, producing even, clean cuts, and managing clippings well. A single lever quickly adjusts cutting height, and the touch start button adds convenience. No pulling cords or waiting on gas engines. LED headlights make a difference in early morning or late evening use, and the entire unit folds up for vertical storage, which saves space in crowded garages. There are a couple of trade-offs to keep in mind. The price tag is at the premium end, and the mower itself is on the heavier side. But for users who value performance and durability, that weight translates into a more stable, powerful feel while mowing. If you're after a top-tier cordless mower that can handle just about anything a home lawn throws at it, the Ego Power Plus LM 2135 SP is the one to beat. That wraps up our list of the top 6 cordless mowers. Whether you're dealing with a small patch of grass or a full-size lawn, there's an option here that fits the job, without the hassle of cords or gas. Each mower on this list brings something different to the table, so the right pick really comes down to how much lawn you need to cover and how much convenience you want. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Product links are down in the description if you want to check out any of the models mentioned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.